So it's been a little while since I've had time to work on this prototype game in Unity, where I'm building a real-time strategy game similar to Age of Empires or Warcraft, Warcraft 3, that kind of thing. However, I recently got some time to work on this, and most recently I was able to add, as you can see up here in the top left, a small little UI for available resources, as well as the ability for buildings which do spawning of units to actually care about those resources. So we see here, if I select the market and then I click the build peasant, we can see that we queue up a peasant and my gold went down from 30 to 20, and we can queue up a peasant and then we can cancel that same peasant, and we see that we get refunded for that gold that we spawned, or for that gold that we spent. We can also see that if we build some peasants, so we have 4 peasants here. If we then try to build another peasant, we'll see down here in the log that it's saying, hey, the requirement for 10 gold is not met. Another thing that I implemented recently is now that we have requirements for resources to be spent to build things. Our peasants, when they're collecting those resources, the resources they collect should actually be recorded. So we can see each time this peasant returns to the market, our gold count actually increments. So that is the kind of resource spending system that I've implemented thus far. One additional thing that I've implemented is this concept of when a peasant is carrying resources, they might not always immediately return those resources. So this is common in games like StarCraft, where you might have you might have a unit go collect some minerals or some gas or something like that, and then they might not actually make it back to the nexus or the command center before they drop that off. So we can see that this peasant is holding on to some gold right now, and then if we tell him to go back to the market, he'll go deposit the 10 gold that he was holding, and he'll hold on to that gold as long as he has it until he mines a different resource or dies or something to that effect. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this little demo. I'm enjoying working on this prototype here, so we'll see what I come up with next. Later.